Welcome everybody to Gus Brown Buick GMC here in Port Perry. If you're gonna buy a truck, this is the one to buy. This is a 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 with the Duramax turbo diesel. What an absolute beauty. Only 29,000 kilometers on this. It is a one owner vehicle, no accident history, black on black, loaded up AT4 and the diesel engine. Let's take a tour of this truck right now, starting off with obviously the biggest highlight is the inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine. 305 horsepower, 495 foot-pounds of torque, all connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Tow over 8,700 pounds with this, but best of all, get really good fuel economy. I'm talking under 10 liters per 100 kilometers combined fuel economy. And that is what you want when you're buying a truck. Let's face it, if you can save fuel and still be able to tow, I mean, that's no joke. And the AT4 is no joke as well. With this package, you get a 2-inch factory lift. You get these great looking alloy wheels, all-terrain tires, Rancho off-road suspension underneath. We've got skid plates to protect you from the cottage road, the job site, and you name it. LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. This has the premium package, so you get these nice running boards that are tucked in real close to the rocker, so you can maintain that incredible ground clearance on this as well. Now you can see it is the full crew cab, lots of room inside, and wait until you see the inside as well. I mean, it is stunning in there. But let's go around to the business end. We have the side step bumper, the multi-pro tailgate, which I love, AT4 badge, dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver, dealer plate, because hey, if it's good enough for the boss to drive, it's good enough for you. This also has the integrated trailer brake controller, so you don't need to buy that. Now dropping down the dampened tailgate, you can see the factory applied spray on bed liner is in here. And how about savings? Because this comes with the 3-piece hard tonneau cover already on. That's like saving 1,800 bucks right there just by finding this one with this already installed. 400-watt power outlet in the back. And then my favorite feature of the multi-pro tailgate is this right here. The bed extender that flips up. Now, you know, your sheets of plywood, your drywall, nothing sliding out the back. If you want a little step, drop this down. And now you got an easy step to get into the back as well. All right, now bear with me as I fold this up. And I can do it with one hand, which is nice because it's dampened. It's just a little tricky with trying to hold the camera. Coming around to the passenger side, want to show you all 4 corners. You're probably considering this for your new truck, and my gosh, lucky you, because this is an absolute beauty. Again, wait until you see the inside. We're getting there, but first I got to show you the front, because I mean, how about a presence on the road? All the LED lights on this, the red recovery tow hooks to help people out, big GMC badge, AT4 logo. I mean, look at this thing coming down the street. This is gonna look so good in the driveway too. Whew. All right, now let's go check out the inside. We're gonna start off with the back seats. If you have kids, if you carry clients with you, if you got adult passengers, look at all the room back here for them. Look at these leather seats. Love the baseball glove inserts, little bit of storage, center armrest, power sliding rear window as well, and these are heated outboard seats in the back. Cup holders, USB ports, non-smoker as well. Yeah, isn't that nice? We haven't even got to the front. Now here's the front. Power sunroof up top, the AT4 badge embroidered into the front headrests. I love the nice big center console. These are heated and air conditioned front seats. We have the power driver's seat, a power passenger seat, and we've got this hooked up to a 2-driver memory system with the easy entry exit assist, plus a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, all hooked up to the memory system. Little AT4 badge there. Bose audio system, so you know you're going to get some fantastic tunes in this. Now let's hop in. And, oh, that's nice. It's nice and cool in here. Have a look around. This is your view for the next 6, 8, 10, 15 plus years if you want it in this AT4 Sierra. Safety features: forward emergency braking, pedestrian warning, blind spot warning, lane keeping assist, automatic headlights, great rear view camera, surround view camera system. It's got everything in here. You're going to be super safe in this, obviously. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel, controls for our center display, fully digital driver's gauges. Look at that. 29,657 kilometers. You can change what's on the left side and the right side of the digital display as well. So you can kind of manipulate that to show different information as you like, and that's all done here with these keys here. To our driver's knee, we have our 2-speed transfer case for the 4-wheel drive. That's part of the AT4 package. Don't forget, it does have auto-locking rear differential as well. Our drive modes and our trailer tow mode. And then over here is all of our lighting system, including the truck bed lighting up top there, all really conveniently located. Now, one of the things in this that has gotten even better with technology is this infotainment system. So, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what's even better is the Google Assistant. I use this daily on every single drive. Think of this just like your Google Assistant at home. So not only can you use it for voice commands with the car, like navigation and things like that, you can use it to ask, what was the Jays game score yesterday? You can ask it for, complex math problems, anything you can think of. Ask your Google Assistant and it's there, and it is so cool. So I highly recommend getting the full OnStar suite to take advantage of all the cool tech in the car. And then if you don't like it, or if you want to, peel back some of the layers off of it, you certainly can, but start off with the full suite. I mean, it is incredible. We have Google Maps as well. Why I like this, because you can update Google Maps if there's a speed trap up ahead, if there's a lane closure, whatever, you'll see it pop up. You can add it yourself. It's really sweet. It's the best nav that you can really get in a car right now, so I love that. All connected, by the way, to your Google account if you have a Google account, so even better. XM satellite radio, you can see that right there. And then we've got obviously Amazon, I'll show you. We've got so Amazon News, podcasts, Alexa, plus your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, plus check out the camera system on this. So the top-down view, our front cameras here, our rear cameras here. We can turn off that top-down view if you just want a full screen view as well. You could use that. Then for parking, we get this sweet view. So parking this is really nice and easy. Now, how about backing up to your trailer? Well, I mean, that's going to be easy to connect, right? You back up, get your hitch aligned. It's a one-person show, which I love. Then sliding over here with the trailering pack, this also becomes one person. You can do your trailer light check from here. There's a checklist if you don't tow very often. That's super helpful as well. I'm going to leave some of this for you to explore. There's a lot more in here. One other thing I'll tell you is that it does have built-in Wi-Fi. You can see that there. So if you got kids that are always trying to steal your Wi-Fi from your cell phone, they can now steal it from the truck, and it's super fast. So check all this out when you come and take a look at it, but I mean, it is very impressive. Dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, some of your safety systems here, and a really nice center console, as you can see. Here's our integrated trailer brake controller. There's USB ports here. There's a remote start on the key fob, plus you can drop the tailgate right from here. And then underneath this nice armrest is our wireless charging pad, USB ports, a regular home outlet, and a ton of storage under here as well. Also being stored is our Carfax, just so you can see. One owner, no accidents reported. This is such a beautiful truck. I'm so jealous of whoever is able to take this home. A black on black AT4 Sierra 1500 is right here at Gus Brown and Port Perry. You got to come and check this out. Do not go to any other truck store other than Gus Brown and Port Perry if you're looking for some great selection. We've got them all here, including this beautiful Sierra. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.